Hello guys, it has been a while since I did a video, but I'm doing one now, and I have no lipstick on because my lips are so chapped you cannot believe it. Oh my God, I have put everything under the sun on them and they're just killing me. This is my new addition. No, that is not supposed to be there, but that's the way it is. I got this gate on Amazon. This is the best thing I ever did. It is so cool. The only thing is, this is a very narrow doorway, and it did come with a top. Hold on, I'll show you. It came with this thing, but we can't get it up here because it is not wide enough. So I wasn't going to put anything up here, but the cats look like they were going to, I have a counter over here, and they were going to like jump over it, over this gate, because it's only, you know, this high. So I just put that cardboard up just so they don't climb through it. But this is a door. This is a door that opens and closes, and it's got a latch, and you can also lock it. And you can't see, but down at the bottom, there's even a place if you wanted to have like a cat door, say. So, let's see. See that little square thing? Yeah, but we don't want that. But I have two cats in there that are not really getting along with the rest of these cats. And I used to have that louver door in there. But it's still there. It's just on the other side because I didn't know how the cats were going to react to this. I didn't know if they're going to be really scared. But this black one is Devil, and he just loves looking in there. Anyway, that's not what this is about. I have my old selfie stick, and if I would have had my good one, I could have bent it over and you can see what I'm doing here, but I don't, so we'll have to deal with it. I like to write things down. I always have. I like to make lists. I like to keep track of things, write things, and I always have had a planner. I have had a planner for years, and I always buy them from Erin Condren because I think they're the best planners. I had one for last year into this year. I don't know, I just was not into it. I did not hardly write anything in it, so that kind of was a bummer. This year I'm not going to do that. I'm really going to write stuff in it. I got these today, and come on guys, and they're supposed to be, they're from Erin Condren. They're supposed to be Hello Kitty glitter pins. Now, I don't really know if they're much glittery. They don't really, there might be a little bit shiny if you hold it up to the light, but I don't really think they're that glittery. But here's the purple. I mean, not really, but they're Hello Kitty, and I thought they were cute. So that's why I got them. So I couldn't wait. I had to try them out today. And then I got these from Erin Condren, fine tip markers, and they're in a whole bunch of colors. And they come in this neat little case, and they're just in there. So let's see, let's get one that might show up. Let's try a purple. Well, I love blue. Let's try blue. So this is what they look like. They're really small tipped pins. And it says hello. That's what they are like. I like them because they're not too inky. They're not too thick. And you can really, hey, stop. Aw. This is Scooter, and they always seem to want to attack Scooter. I do not know why. Okay, here's the purple. Let's try this one. There's the purple. But anyway, I got all these because I just want to use different colors in my planner. And I actually got this planner like a week ago. It came in this box. But I was waiting for these pins, and I actually couldn't wait because I got the pins today and I opened them up. So when you open up this box, this is how it comes. It comes like this. I'm actually doing this video right now because I'm waiting for my laundry to dry in the dryer. And it's got bubble wrap. This is I actually got this for like 30% off. And I thought that was a really good deal because these are not cheap planners, let me tell you. You can easily spend, gosh, $60, $70, $80 on this planner. Now this planner goes from, it started in July, which I can't put too much in there. And it goes until next December. So this is the one I picked. And you can see how the coil is cool with the colors. It came with this. I don't know if I'm really going to use this thing. They do come off. But last one I had was it a Hello Kitty? I'm going to take this thing off. Let me show you. This is the one I had. It's a Hello Kitty. And I had gotten some stickers, and I just stuck some stickers in there. But, yeah. And I do keep them. You know, I can kind of look back at them later. But this is the one I got. And this page, you can use these markers, and you can wipe it off. I don't really use that page. But this kind of gives you an idea about this planner. You can pick different kinds of styles. I like colorful. And you can pick these, and these come off too. And you can interchange them. I never do that though. And this paper is heavy, thick paper. These markers do not go through it. But you know, it's like starts out with the calendar, monthly calendar, and you know, you can make lists and things and ideas. And this, I've never had, you can pick what they call a layout. 91. Like this is July. Yeah, sorry, I got my scanner going. And then, you know, like this is the calendar part. But then you have, I got a cat messing with that. This is what they mean when they say layout. I have never had this layout before, but you can pick different kinds. How, like I would write list or write what's going on and things like that. But the whole calendar has, the months have different colors to them. And like this is August, you know. But I just really like these planners. They're too big to really put in a purse unless you have a big tote bag. But I just like them myself. This does come with, well, there's a zillion accessories you can buy, which I just don't buy. But this comes with a coupon and, let's see, a little thing here. Let me open this up. These, you can use these for bookmarks or kind of whatever. They just stick those in there. I don't know why those people are talking over. So here's a coupon for 20% off. They just give you a little welcome thing. They also give you, Hold on. Get rid of them. This is kind of neat. They also give you this little booklet. It's really thin, but you can put, well, whatever you want. It's a contact and birthday calendar, but you can use it for lists and different things. They give you that. And they used to give you a few stickers, yeah. Kind of like stickers like that, which I do use those. But I need to get this calendar or this planner going and start putting some stuff in there. But that's what I got. I just love it. They also have good sales around Black Friday where you can get pretty good % off for these planners. So that's what I had to show you today. So hopefully my laundry will get done here pretty quick and then I can get ready to go to bed. But yeah, I just like markers. I like writing. I like pens. I'm a pen person. I have certain pens that I use at work and I buy them by the dozen. And I just thought this was a really pretty one. You can get different color of coils. You can get silver, gold, or rose gold. I've never seen this kind with the different colors. I thought it looked really good with this front thing. You can also get this personalized. You can put your name on it or whatever. I don't do that. It's free, but I just figure I would get the planner quicker if they didn't have to mess with personalizing it. But yeah, these tabs are great. I really like how the paper is so heavy and thick, and it's just kind of a fun thing to keep track of stuff. So there you have it, my Erin Condren brand new planner. So I'm gonna check my laundry and hopefully get ready for bed. All right, thanks for watching, guys.